Today we're going to be combining South Asia and East Asia to make butter chicken ramen. Of course, this is not an authentic dish. That means we're not going to use authentic methods and techniques to make the butter chicken. So put on your seatbelt because it's about to get wild. First, we're gonna grab some chicken thighs and we're gonna put some oil on it. Next, we're gonna put in some tandoori seasoning. I told you guys, this is not the authentic method. I'm supposed to be making this seasoning from scratch, but ramen is supposed to be easy and tasteful. So we're just gonna use this regular tandoori seasoning. You can get any type of tandoori seasoning that you want. And we're just gonna season that to our liking. Usually I like to go heavy on the seasoning. Next, you wanna grab a pan and put it on medium-low heat, and we're gonna melt about 2 tablespoons of butter. Now keep in mind, I'm using about 4 chicken thighs, which equates to about 1.2 pounds of chicken. Now we're gonna cook this chicken for about 4 minutes on each side. Here's the thing. You better not start flip-flopping that chicken, okay? Just let it sit and rest for 4 minutes. Don't touch it. Now after 4 minutes, when you see the chicken is being halfway cooked, then we're gonna flip it and cook for another 4 minutes. By this time, the chicken should already be fully cooked. If you have any doubts, you can always use a meat thermometer and make sure that it's about 165 degrees. We're gonna take the chicken out of the pan. Now, remember I said cook it on medium heat? That is to ensure that all that seasoning doesn't fully burn. It is gonna be a little dark, but it shouldn't fully burn because we're going to reuse that pan. And then we're gonna add in about 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And to that, we're also gonna add just a little bit more of that tandoori seasoning. Now here's the thing, we're gonna cook this tomato paste on medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until it turns a little dark. Here's the thing, you wanna make sure you really cook that tomato paste because we're gonna be adding in milk. And if that tomato paste isn't really fully cooked and you add in that milk, it might not sit well in your stomach. So after about 5 to 6 minutes, you see it darken just like this, then we're going to add in about 2/3 cup of milk. And we're gonna mix it up and cook it on medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. Now we're gonna get our ramen and we're gonna boil it. Make sure you pay attention to the label, okay? Because the label will tell you exactly how long to cook your ramen. Different ramen will cook at different times. Main thing is to never overcook your ramen because then it'll just get really mushy. Now we're gonna add the ramen in there, and to that we're also adding a little bit of ramen water. Then we're gonna add in some cilantro, and of course, you know you can't forget about the Thai chili pepper. Now we're just gonna plate that into a bowl and then add our chicken on top and maybe add in a little bit more sauce on top of that chicken. Now the biggest question is it going to taste like butter chicken? Well, let's taste it. Whoa, that is flavorful. Now, does it taste exactly like butter chicken? No, because we used a tandoori seasoning. However, the essence of butter chicken is there. Now let's actually taste the chicken. Wow, listen, this truly isn't butter chicken. However, it does carry the essence of butter chicken. Now you mix that with ramen, I'm telling you, that desi style gravy that we do with noodles, it just took it to the next level. You guys gotta try this and let me know how you like it. And let me know in the comments, what fusion should I do next? Let's go.